Why do tech enthusiasts rave about the Nubia Z70 Ultra New Year Edition? It's all about power and style. Introducing the Nubia Z70 Ultra New Year Edition, with a sleek silver frame and vibrant orange faux leather back. This beauty comes bundled with a complimentary smartwatch and an exclusive case. Under the hood you'll find the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Plus, the stunning 6.85-inch OLED display boasts a 144Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness. Capture every moment with its advanced triple camera system, a 50MP main sensor 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens. And with a massive 6150 mAh battery supporting 80W fast charging, you'll stay powered up all day. Celebrate the Chinese New Year with the ultimate tech upgrade. The Nubia Z70 Ultra New Year Edition. Power your fortune. Available now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.